Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just found a place that just got absolutely rocked by a wildfire, which is crazy. It's like all over. Bro, and there's all these houses here. They're like completely bro, like some of the fires were like maybe 50 meters from a house. It was nuts. Like, look at that. A wildfire in the neighborhood. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I already said that. So how are you guys? Let me know in the comments. I haven't been up to much lately, just sick. Getting along in life, you know. I'm just out getting some cardio. I'm entering track and field season, so I'm really excited about that. I'm a captain, so woohoo! It's been a dream of mine to be a captain for like ever, so I'm super glad that I finally got this this opportunity. So if my coach happens to be watching this, then thank you a lot. I'll try to be a good captain. I don't know how, but I'll try. There's something about just like biking out in like just a country. I just found this random country road. There happened to be a fire down. I'm like, yo. I just feel bad for some of the owners around here. Like, sheesh, that's kind of scary. If you know what I mean. Yeah, I haven't really been uploading too much on my sports channel, The Highlighter Boy, or on my random shorts channel, Snapbit Shorts. Oh, here comes a truck. I wish I had a gator. That'd be so much to rip around, so much fun to rip around on. Y'all be getting a lot of content like that if I had a gator. Oh, there's a cop up ahead. Looks like they either pulled over someone or they're just sitting there. Yeah, it's pretty windy out, so I'm trying to keep my breath in shape. My breath in shape? I'm trying to keep my breath and stay in shape. That's what I mean to say. Yeah, so yeah. How are you guys? Just let me know in the comments. What sort of like sports do y'all do? I don't know. I don't have too many followers right now, just like 112 Snapbit Shorts. 25 on my sports channel, but I don't really care about my sports channel right now. It's a more snowboard based channel, so there's not too much content to make over the summer. Yeah. What do you say? We just like bike past this cop and just like look at him and smile really weird, and he'll just pull us over. Cyclist gets pulled over on a random road. That'd be a really funny headline. Turns out they're actually like blocking all these house owners and like people on this range road, and they're actually doing like this major government based like scientific experiment over here. Hey, everyone here is cooked, like absolutely cooked. Yeah, oh yeah, I have a really funny story to tell. So basically I have this buddy, and we both go to the same school, right? So, oh, that officer is talking to random people. Haha, that's funny. But basically, yeah, this buddy, he does like not good stuff, you know, like smoking cigarettes or whatever. Well, it's not bad stuff. It's just like not the best for your health. So I'm not like soliciting or whatever that is on the channel right now. But blah, blah, blah. Basically, he hit a cigarette before school, you know, and he pulls up. Like there's this devotions thing before class, you know, and the teacher, she sniffs him, and she's like, wait a second, you smell like a cigarette. Did you hit one before school? And he was like, yup. Like that's W aura farming right there. That's so funny. Just like the casual yup. Anywho, she's like, yeah, now you gotta go down to the office. And he's like, bro, what? Like, it's all before school. Like, if you, like, it's one thing if you do it on a school parking lot, but it was like before school. So, like, I don't even know where she's getting that, like, oh, you're being sent to the office for smoking a cigarette before school. That just seems kind of dumb. Like, I just don't understand that. Anywho, yeah. Then he got sent down to the office, but the vice principal is real chill. So he just was, from what I understand, he just told him to like change his shirt or something. I don't know. Yeah. My buddy, I don't know if he did. I don't know. That's my one random story. Oh, we're coming up on the cop. I think I'm gonna just bike past him. And like just wave at him. Then if he comes to talk to me, well, we got all of this on recording, so yeah, just make for a funny short. Oh yeah, so me and this same buddy, or maybe it was a different buddy, I don't know, but the other day we saw this bridge, and we're like, it would be so cool if we just like climbed that bridge, like, you know. Oh, it's a truck. It's a fire truck, I think. Yo. Whew. Ah, I'm on a hill. But we saw this bridge and we're like, yo, it'd be really cool to like climb the treks or whatever it's called underneath it. Just climb those going like all the way across. I feel like that'd be a really cool video. What do you guys say? Whew. Passed the cop without any trouble. I'm exhausted. But yeah, Unless, of course, it's illegal, then we won't do it. But, like, I feel like that'd be pretty cool. I feel like that'd be real cool. Oh, it's another fire truck, Sig. This is so chill, just biking out in the middle of nowhere, just yapping. I mean, I guarantee nobody's made it this far in the video. But like, if you have, drop a subscribe and like, please. You gotta be committed if you stayed this far. Oh yeah, I also haven't really been uploading lately because I went live in school on a school laptop in the middle of class, which honestly probably wasn't the smartest thing for me to do. But at the time I was like, you know what? It's never been done before at this school. So I just had to do it, you know. Probably pretty dumb of me, but yeah. I don't know, we just did it. I thought nothing of it, but another teacher like complained or something. Apparently other students also complained. And yeah, the vice principal was like, nah, you can't be doing that. So he took it all away for like 2 weeks. And then my parents kind of got a little annoyed or whatever about something else. So they took my phone as well. So I haven't, I'm out of breath. So I haven't really been uploading, you know. I tried random AI content. That stuff does not work, chat. It does not work. Like, I don't know how people are farming like millions of views off like an AI video of a cat beating a chicken. Like, how the frick does that work? You feel me? Yeah, what things have you guys gotten in trouble at school for? Man, I'm just in the mood to talk about that. I mean, me and my friends always rage baited each other in class. And half the time it would work on us, but a majority of the time it would work on the teacher. Sometimes that was so funny. Like, the teacher would get way too overworked and we're like, it's not that deep, and then they're crashing out at us and we're like, okay, whatever. Then we'll stop. Then like 2 weeks later, Will Bro starts rage baiting me again, and I'm like, oh nah, this stuff ain't working. And then the teacher gets all mad, and yeah. Also, do you guys ever feel like you're that one student that's targeted in the class? Like, sure, said student was a little rambunctious in the past, but that doesn't mean that they're still rambunctious now. Like, I feel like teachers will always get the like students that are in like that have a worse reputation than others, and I feel like they'll just get them in trouble because like it's kind of like a free ride. Like, oh yeah, we could just get them in trouble. Like, even if it's the smallest thing, we could still get them in trouble because they have a reputation. Like, I just think that's BS. Like, that's just dumb. Like, I swear, Lil Bro can just like drop a pencil and teacher would get so mad at him and like throw him in 17 detentions. Then little Jimmy in the corner would like flip over their desk and she'll just laugh and be like, yeah, it's chill, it's chill. Like, bro, how is that fair? It just does not check out. Like, is that not relatable? Like, it's so frustrating sometimes. And then, of course, you gotta victimize yourself after and be like, bro, you just hate me. And then they'll go off on a whole spiel and be like, no, I do not hate you. Blah, 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 I don't know. I'm just rambling on and on. But that's kind of the point of this bike ride. Also, it's getting so windy. Let's turn around back to my vehicle. Oh, the wind's to my back now. Let's go. Also, low key, I feel like it might be worth to get a e-bike or something. Like, those seem so much fun. I mean, I'm not that good on a bike, like freestyle stuff or whatever. I like fast type stuff, racing, whatever. Not too good at that either. But, like an e-bike, that seems so much fun. Also on my sports channel, Highlighter Boy, the Highlighter Boy. I wanna like get real good at freestyle biking and then convert it into like a biking channel over the summer. If that makes sense. Ooh, it's another fire truck. Bro, that's crazy how like I picked a random range road today and there's just a whole bunch of fires on. I'm like, sheesh. Like, that is so random. I cannot believe it. Bro, and I've also had so many close, like, so I'm a relatively new driver, okay, on the roads, like, driving an SUV or whatever. And is it just me, or are like cops sometimes real lax with punishments? Like, just let's wave at the vehicles. Oh, no wave, no wave. What about this one? It's a fire truck. Let's go. Ooh, it's another fire truck. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. Like, for example, once I was like, I thought this one road was like 90, okay? 90 kilometers an hour. So I was going like 105 or whatever, just cruising. I was like, it's chill. Or maybe I was going 115, I don't remember. Because I thought it was a 100 zone. And I just wanted to get home, you know. So I'm going, and there's this vehicle coming onto me. And they flip on their lights. It's like a cop, undercover cop or whatever. And I was like, oh nah. So I slammed on it to like 100. I was like, okay. And then as I passed by him, he just gave me a thumbs up. And I was like, oh, I just dodged a bombshell there. Then like surely like 10 seconds later, I saw a 90 sign. And I was like, oh sheesh. I could have gotten absolutely sniped there. And another time actually was last night. I was hanging out with a bro, okay? And, whew, I'm out of breath. Going up a hill. And basically, yeah, I was just driving him back to his place. It's what? Probably about 7:30 at night. And I'm like, okay, it was like this dead road or whatever. There's this intersection, stop signs, right? So I'm just cruising. And I just like came to a rolling stop. I treated the stop sign as just like a yield or whatever. Because I did not feel like stopping because I just wanted to drop him off. And I look all ways and I just turn. And there's just a cop there. And I panicked. Like, well, bro was like, there's a cop. And I slammed on my brakes. It was obviously too late. It's like, oh, nah. You know what he did? He looked at me and he just did like the nah finger. And I was like, oh, sheesh. I just barely dodged a bombshell there. Like, I could have gotten absolutely cooked. Oh. Hello. Gotta be nice to cops. If you're nice to cops, they'll be nice to you. I wonder, if you're a cop, do you get to listen to music in your patrol car when you're going? Like, imagine you're chasing the criminal and you got like some high, like, just beat dropping music. Like, bro, that'd be so sick. I think I might be a cop now. Turns out you like just can't listen to music at all and you're like, bro. Yeah, no, it's kind of nuts how many fire trucks there is. Smells like smoke. Smoke and truck fumes. That's what it must feel like living in the country. Whew. Well, starting Monday, I'm gonna start my whole week 1 shorts pattern again. Let's see if we can hit 200. Tomorrow I'm gonna record a few shorts or whatever, and I'm just gonna do what I did for week 1. I'm gonna just grind. Just gonna be short after short after short. Y'all won't see no rest. I wanna hit 200 so bad. Yeah, my channel's at 50,000 views, and I'm like, let's go. 20,000 valid short views for my earning page, so I'm pretty happy about that. 20,000 out of 3 million, and it's 23 cents per 1,000 views that I get paid. So let's try help these videos go viral so that I can start making money. So next year I'm going to college in BC, so I'm at university in BC. So yeah, we need some money for that. Snowboarding content, like that'd be so hype. Snowboarding content from BC, like there'll be the Pow King or whatever down there. I hear that snow is freaking nice as frick. Yeah, well, you guys made it all the way to the end. Like and subscribe. That'll mean the world to me. Snapbit Shorts, the Highlighter Boy, hit them all. I need the subscribers. See y'all next video. Good luck out there. Bye.